In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Store notifications. If you're tired of pop-ups about app updates, promotions, or downloads from the Microsoft Store, this quick walkthrough will help you silence them without affecting how your apps update in the background. First, open the Windows settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows logo key and the letter I at the same time. This opens the main settings window so you don't have to click through menus. Once settings is open, look to the left-hand column and choose System. System is where Windows groups core device preferences, and it's also where notification controls live, so we'll make our change there. Inside System, select Notifications. This page manages how and when alerts appear, including banners, sounds, and entries in the Notification Center. You may notice a main notification switch at the top. Leave that on if you still want alerts from other apps. We're going to target only the Microsoft Store. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. This area lists individual apps that are allowed to show alerts. The list is typically alphabetical, and it can be long, so take a moment to move slowly to avoid skipping past what you need. On some PCs, the list may take a brief moment to populate after you open this page, so pause for a second if it looks empty at first. Find Microsoft Store in that list. You should see its name along with the familiar shopping bag icon, which makes it easier to spot. If you have multiple Microsoft entries, look specifically for Microsoft Store rather than System Components. When you've located it, turn its switch to off. As soon as you toggle it, Windows immediately stops showing banners, playing sounds, and adding new Microsoft Store items to the notification center. Your apps and games will still download and update as usual. The change only mutes the store's notifications, not its functionality. You can still open the Microsoft Store anytime to review updates and downloads. In-app badges and progress bars remain available. Windows will also keep applying app updates in the background based on your store settings. That's all you need to do. If you ever decide you want those alerts back, maybe to track a large game download, just return to the same setting and flip the switch to on again. It's a reversible change and completely safe. To recap, you opened Settings with the Windows key, plus I, went to System, chose Notifications, scrolled to the app list, found Microsoft Store, and turned its switch off. Enjoy a quieter desktop while everything continues to run smoothly behind the scenes.